Don't worry, I have your back.
Oh, crap.
I have a mission for you. I'll send the location in a message.
Alright.
It was a dark, cold night at the office. I was just staying overtime to fill out some old paperwork from my remaining case files. But, as luck would have it, a bit more work would fall on my desk. A new case with a man named Mr. Codsworth.
Excuse me!
It seems Mr. Codsworth had a problem with his wife. Apparently she ran out on him, possibly with another man. Now, I was tasked with tracking her down and finding out if, and, as he heavily suspected, if there was another man in the affair. This job gets old sometimes.
Well, Mr. Codsworth, I will find your wife, and if there's another man involved, then I'll let you know.
I bet.
Have a nice day.
You too, you little scrub.
Can't tell whether his wife left him because of that horrible attitude, or his junked up sense of style.
I have a mission for you.
Yes,
Be there.
I'll be there. Got it.
Hello?
Hello, James. Well,
Yeah.
no, don't try to ask questions. I know that you know. So stop. No. Okay. You know what? I'll send you an email because I know you won't be able to find it. So yeah.
Ah, just you dweebs. Huh. I guess you nabbed all three of us for this mission, right?
That appears to be the case. So, does anyone know why he had us meet in this place?
Must be something to do with this data file he sent me a little while back.
Wow, that looks important.
Yeah. Let's.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Let's take a listen.
Let's do it.
No, next to the peanut butter. Next, not under. Next. I told you. Gosh. Oh, sorry. This, I guess, is recording. Greetings, gentlemen. As you may have already guessed, this is Murado Grande. I've been gathering intel over the past few days, and, well, the masks are still at large. We took down the big boss, but he left 3 generals in his wake. And I know you guys are the best ones to handle this. I'm kind of busy at the moment. So, you should receive some more information, pretty much right now.
Oh, there it is.
What?
All right, let's go.
Snail mail.
What is it?
I know where he is.
Let's head out.
Wait!
Wait. We need some guns. Lots of guns.
It's true.
I know a man. The name's DeMavio.
Ooh, sounds kind of shady.
Oh, shady? If he was under a tree, you wouldn't see him. That's how shady he is.
Sounds
Shady.
impressive. Yeah, sounds impressive.
It's not. Let's go.
All right.
You sure this is the place?
I'm positive.
Whatever you say.
Hey, Quirzo. You sure he's here? I don't see anyone.
Oh, he's here. Do you doubt me? I know his call sign.
All right, let's hear it.
He's here.
Hey boys, what can I help you boys with?
We need guns. Lots of guns.
Well, do you like what you see?
Yeah, it'll suffice.
What kind of budget are we looking at?
Right, so a budget. We've got an idea.
Well, how much do you got?
Will this do DeMavio?
Here you go.
Garbage.
Well! Here you go, boy.
Ooh, thanks, Domenico.
What do you got for me, D?
Let's see. For you, boy, this one.
It'll do.
No problem. Wait, Quirzo!
What is it, Domenico?
I forgot something. You need to use this. It's my secret weapon. Here.
What do you think I am? A philosopher?
Maybe. Maybe not. Don't mess with us now. Only use this at the right time.
When am I supposed to use this piece of filth?
Trust me. You'll know when you know.
Yeah, I trust you. Just like I trust me. And I don't trust me. You?